Here are 10 important places that you must visit in Indore, India. Khajrana in Indore is a captivating destination that seamlessly blends spirituality with architectural grandeur. Home to the renowned Khajrana Ganesh temple, this sacred site attracts devotees and tourists alike with its awe-inspiring deity and vibrant atmosphere. With its rich cultural heritage and serene ambience, Khajrana is truly a place worth visiting for a spiritual retreat and a glimpse into the religious fervor of Indore. Rajwada, also known as Holkar Palace, Rajwada is a historical palace built by the Holkar dynasty. It is a mixture of Maratha, Mughal and French architectural styles. Lal Bagh Palace is another stunning palace in Indore, built in the European style. It displays a remarkable collection of exquisite artifacts, paintings and antique cars. Indore Museum, officially known as Central Museum Indore, it houses a diverse collection of artifacts representing the rich history and culture of the region. Kanch Mandir, or Temple of Glass, is a unique Jain temple made entirely of glass. It has intricate glasswork including glass walls, ceilings, floors and pillars. Annapurna Temple, dedicated to goddess Annapurna, this temple is an important religious site in Indore. It is beautifully decorated with intricate carvings and attracts devotees from far and wide. Chappan Dukan, a famous food street in Indore, Chappan Dukan offers a variety of delectable street food options. From traditional snacks to sweets, it is a heaven for food lovers. Sarafa Bazaar transforms from a bustling jewelry market during the day to a vibrant street food paradise at night. It serves lip-smacking street food dishes that are must-try. Ralamandal Wildlife Sanctuary. For nature enthusiasts, Ralamandal Wildlife Sanctuary offers an opportunity to explore the flora and fauna of the region. It is a perfect getaway from the hustle and bustle of the city. Patalpani Falls, located on the outskirts of Indore, Patalpani Falls is a must-see place set amidst lush greenery. The waterfall is a popular picnic and photography spot. Janapav Kuti, situated around 45 kilometers from Indore, Janapav Kuti is a hilltop with historical and mythological significance. It offers breathtaking views and is associated with the epic Mahabharata. These are just a few highlights among the numerous attractions Indore has to offer. Enjoy exploring the city.